I am Prathap from Tamil Nadu, Chennai. I completed my engineering in R.M.K college for EC and EC Electronics and Communication. Next, I was looking for a embedded course so that I can grow my career. So that I joined IIES. In IIES, they taught us C, C++, ARM, Linux, DSA. So that technically I become very strong. They provided placements of support for more companies like LG, Tata, more companies, so that I got more experience in the interview. Finally, I got in TATA Advanced and Defense in Mumbai, which will help me for growing my career. Next, the staff were giving my more career paths so that I can learn and take interview very seriously. They taught us more aptitude, coding. Next, each staff's been friendly to us. So I choose this IIES. So you can also choose. Thank you.